The confetti cannon kicks off her freestyle run, and though she may not have ended on 4 BKT tires, she gave it all she's got, that 1,500 horsepower, with the real work right here in this unicorn. Logan Ashline's out here showing that she's willing to take the risk, willing to push that truck to the edge. And now hoping that it was all for those high scores. We've got it locked in. Let's check it out. She's up against that score to beat right now, held by Montana Robbins and Clayton Crazy. It's a score of a 7.949. The score for Sparkle Smash is... Clayton, take a look at that board. It's an 8.274. Logan Ashline taking the top of the leaderboard with that score to beat. That risk was absolutely worth that reward. Sparkle Smash Logan Ashline takes to that top spot here in freestyle.